Today we're going to learn how to play Fraction Bump It. It is very similar to Multiplication Bump It that we have played before. So if you look on this slide, you'll see that the game board has pictures of fraction bars on it. Here are your game pieces just like before, and here are your game cards to keep track of the fractions that you build with the dice. You're going to use the dice just like you did before as well. So let's get started. We're going to roll our dice. This time you're going to use 2 dice, and you're going to use the red dice with the numbers on there. So we're going to go ahead and throw that. And it looks like I have a 1 and a 5. So for our game, 1 and a 5, you want the smaller number to be your numerator. So I'm going to type a 1 in the box, and then I'm going to type a slash, and then a 5 is going to be my denominator. So my fraction is 1/5. And remember, for 3rd grade and for this game, your numerator is going to be the smaller number. That isn't true when you get to 4th grade, but for 3rd grade, that's how you're going to keep it. So the numerator is 1, the denominator is 5. So that means I'm going to come over here on my game board, and I'm looking for one piece that is shaded in gray and a bar that has 5 pieces all together. So let's see, this one looks like it has a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one has 6, so I need one less than that. Ooh, how about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 pieces all together and only one piece shaded in. So 1 out of 5 are shaded, 1/5. So that is where I'm going to put my game piece. So I'm going to move my game piece on top of that one. And then I'm going to pass the feather on to my partner. And my partner is going to roll the dice. And remember that in Bump It, you can bump your partner off the board if you get the same fraction. So this time we have a 4 and a 5. So that means that my partner has 4 out of 5, or 4/5. So we're going to look for 4 parts that are shaded in and 5 bars all together. So 4 parts shaded in is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. Ooh, so there it is. I have 4 out of 5, or 4/5 shaded in. So my partner gets to put their game piece on that one. And then I'm going to move the feather back up so that the next person can go. So that's how you play Multiplication Bump It. If you roll the same fraction as your partner, then you can bump your partner off and put yours on. But if you roll it twice and you have 2 game pieces on there, then that spot is locked and your partner can't bump you. All right, have fun learning about fractions.